Imagine walking into your kitchen one morning, the air filled with the enchanting aroma of fresh, crispy, golden bread. This isn't a dream, but a reality you can experience every day thanks to the bread machine. TZS First Austria. From the very first moment you open its elegant and modern packaging, you know you're about to transform your eating habits. You hold in your hands a device that doesn't just make bread but redefines the home baking experience. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of satisfied customer reviews and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This bread machine is perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh, homemade bread without any hassle. Whether they are beginners in baking or passionate about cooking. It's also suitable for those with specific dietary needs like gluten-free who are looking for a practical and reliable solution. This bread machine is not just a simple kitchen gadget. It's a revolution for your daily life. In just a few simple steps, you can create an impressive variety of breads and pastries, all made with the greatest ease. All you have to do is place the ingredients in the non-stick pan, select one of the 12 automatic programs, and let the magic happen. Yes, it's that simple. With its 800 W power, the TZS First Austria bread machine is designed to deliver optimal performance. Whether you're a fan of French bread, whole grain bread, sweet bread, or even gluten-free bread, this machine has everything you need to satisfy your tastes and dietary needs. It even gives you the option to prepare cake or pizza dough with astonishing simplicity. Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a slice of homemade pizza dough, the dough soft and light thanks to this amazing machine. Ordinary. One of the most appealing aspects of this bread machine is its keep warm function. Nothing compares to the feeling of slicing into a still warm loaf, its soft center and crunchy crust. The machine ensures that your bread stays at the perfect temperature till you're ready to enjoy it. It's like having a personal bakery open 24/7 right in your home. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The functional design of the TZS First Austria is another one of its major strengths. With compact dimensions, it fits perfectly in any kitchen without ever being cumbersome. Its sleek black design blends seamlessly with all styles of decor. And despite its modest size, it can produce breads weighing between 900 and 1200 grams, enough to satisfy the whole family. Using this machine is child's play. Thanks to its user-friendly electronics, all you have to do is select the desired program and the browning level. You have several browning options to ensure that each loaf is exactly how you like it, lightly golden, medium brown, or perfectly crispy. And with the timer function, you can set the machine to start kneading and baking at the time that works best for you, allowing you to wake up every morning to fresh bread effortlessly. The TZS First Austria bread machine doesn't just make bread. That suits you best, allowing you to wake up every morning to fresh bread effortlessly. The TZS First Austria bread machine doesn't just make bread. It can also make jams home. Yes, you heard that right. In addition to kneading and baking, it can turn your favorite fruits into delicious jams. Perfect for pairing with your homemade warm bread slices. The quick and ultra-fast programs are perfect for those who have little time but don't want to sacrifice quality. But that's not all. The machine also has an automatic shut-off function, ensuring maximum safety. You don't have to worry about leaving the machine on, as it will automatically turn off once the program is finished. It's an extra comfort that makes using it even more enjoyable. The success of the TZS First Austria bread machine is also reflected in its ratings. With a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on over 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users are impressed by its performance. The reviews tell us ease of use, its reliability, and the exceptional quality of the breads it produces. You can be sure that you're making a wise investment by choosing this machine. So, don't miss the opportunity to click the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Let's now recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Ability to prepare a wide variety of breads and pastries, including gluten-free bread and homemade jams. Advantage number 2, ease of use, user-friendly interface with 12 automatic programs and different browning options. Advantage number 3, compact design, compact size, and sleek design. Fit for any kitchen. Advantage number 4, additional feature, keep warm function, and programmable timer for optimal convenience. Advantage number 5, power and performance. 800 watts for quick and efficient cooking. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, weight. At 6 kg, it can be a bit heavy to move around for some people. Disadvantage number 2, limited capacity. It may not be enough for very large families or for those who want to make big loaves regularly. In conclusion, the TZS First Austria bread machine is much more than just a kitchen appliance. It's an invitation to rediscover the joy of homemade bread, to savor each slice with delight and share moments of happiness with your loved ones. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your breakfasts and meals. To learn more, see the thousands of customer reviews and order at the best price. Click the link in the description. You won't be disappointed with this culinary journey that you're about to embark on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.